How you doing, guys? It's Jake from Macbook Specialist, and you know what that means. Today we're going to repair a MacBook. So here we got a MacBook Air. I think this is 2014. Customer says it's got no power whatsoever. Says may have had a bit of liquid damage. So we're just going to quickly test it, see what's going on. Yeah, no light at all. Completely dead. Can't turn it on. Yeah, let's strip it down, see what's going on, see where the liquid is, and get to the bottom of it. Yeah, we can see water straight away. There's definitely been liquid in it. The battery might need replacing on this one as well, but you can see corrosion on the board. Right, let's get the board out and have a look under the microscope. So we've got the board out of the enclosure. Yeah, I can see some corrosion. Let's get the microscope on this and have a look. Yeah, JT connector, definitely corroded. That can come off. We don't need that. It's mainly for diagnostics through Apple or reflashing the BIOS. Oh yeah, 3V42 circuit's definitely corroded. Oh, where else? Yeah, one wire. This side of the board's not too bad. All this, you see all this junk here, this will come off in the ultrasonic cleaner. We haven't got to worry about that. It's when it's actually corroded. 6295's fine. This is all fine. There's a bit of nasty stuff on the probe points, but nothing too bad. Yeah, this will all come out. We'll probably reflow that later. And yeah, these older boards now obviously started to age a little, so you've got a lot of crap over time gets sucked in by the fans and gets sprayed all over the board. A bit by the CPU, it's nothing too bad, all that'll clean off. Yeah, I think let's get that, get that JT connector off. Right, that looks alright. Let's give it a quick test, see if we get fan spin. Well, let's see if we get a green light first. I'm sure we will. This one wasn't too bad, to be honest. I saw a lot worse. That fan definitely needs cleaning out. So yeah, we got a green light and we got a fan spin. This will stop start. It's just a standard power cycle on this board. Let's put it back in the enclosure, give it a quick test, and then we'll put it through the ultrasonic, get rid of all the crap and flux on the board. First, actually, let's quickly test the voltages on the main power rail, PP G3 heart on the 3.42 volt circuit. Yeah, that's fine. We got 16 volts there. Yep. And the 8-volt line, yeah, it's right. So we'll put this back together and we'll quickly ultrasonic this and then put it back together and test it. So the board's just come out of the ultrasonic cleaner. We've dried it off. Yeah, it's a lot nicer than what it was now that all that junk's gone. Flux is gone. As you can see, nice and clean. Let's just inspect them areas. Absolutely fine. Yeah. Right, let's get this cleaned up a bit more and get it back in the enclosure.